Hi, this is Bill with Sigma Estimates. With this video, I'm going to show you some of the really cool things you can do with our integration to Planswift. Now, if you've been estimating for a while, I'm sure you've done a lot of takeoff, put it in Excel, save the Excel sheet as a CSV file, import it into your estimating system, move things around, copied and paste to create your work breakdown structure. It takes a lot of time. There's a lot of potential for error. So let me show you what this does. If you've done a takeoff in Planswift and you've already done some takeoff, you can open Sigma, click on the Import Update Project, and it will pull in all of the estimate that you've already done. So if that's the way you like to work, where you do all your takeoff at once, you can import it and you can create, I don't know if you noticed, but I have this under existing takeoff. Whatever folder structure you have here, it will bring in here and it will create your work breakdown structure just that quick. But a neat thing is that you can do your work breakdown structure in Sigma and then take off items as you go. For instance, I've got wall area here, wall type 1. I'm going to do in wall type 2. Click on linear wall area. I'm going to leave it at 8 feet for now. Click OK. And start doing your takeoff. Go back, hit the refresh button, and there it is. Now you'll notice that I've already taken this one off, and if I try to take it off again, it's going to tell me it's already there, but I haven't imported it. So I'm going to click on refresh page, and if there is anything in there, it'll bring it in. Evidently there isn't, so let's click on edit. And now I can go in and I can take off that wall, stop, click on refresh page, and there it is. This also works really well if you have libraries made in Sigma. For instance, if you have a 3 5/8 20 gauge wall with sound attenuation bats, you can just click on it, drag and drop it into Sigma, click on it, click on wall area, do your takeoff, go back, click on refresh page, and it's brought it in. And not only has it brought that in, but since you brought that in from your library, you have all your costs. And it's costed that up, so you're done with that. So let's say you're in the middle of doing your costing and you're trying to figure out where this wall type 2 was. You can just click on it, click on highlight, go back to the page in Planswift, and there it is. You can see it. Same thing with this one. Click on highlight. There it is. If I want to add more to that particular wall, I just click on edit, start doing more takeoff, click on refresh page, and it's brought in the new amount. So let's say you want to do some game room flooring. Click on that, click on area, click OK, do the takeoff, refresh page, and there it is. But let's say there's something in the middle of that room that you want to get rid of. So you go to subtract section of box, you draw a box, go back, click refresh page, and that area has been subtracted. So let's say you have a big template that you want to use in Sigma. We'll minimize this, and we'll open a CSI template. Sorry, I got to do this in. Normally I'd be using 2 screens because it's just a lot easier to work on, going back and forth. Then you can just double click on something, open it up. Commissioning of equipment, let's not do that. Plumbing fixtures, toilets, click on it, click on count, click OK. You got 1, 2, 3, click on refresh, and you've got it. So if you've got your template built You do a particular type of job a lot. If you have your template built, you can just create a new estimate with that template, start doing your takeoff. You can take off 5 or 6 things, then hit refresh page. It'll bring them all in. And if you want more information, go to our website, www.sigmaestimates.com.